Thank you for purchasing our double hanging closet unit. The following video will show you how to assemble models DHW24, DHW30, and DHW36. The parts included will be one left side panel, one right side panel, two top and bottom panels, and two back braces. Hardware is also included to assemble your unit. Please refer to your written assembly instructions for specific models and quantities. You will need the following tools to assemble your closet unit: a rubber mallet, a hammer, a Phillips head screwdriver, and optionally an electric drill fitted with a number 2 Phillips bit. On each side panel you will find a series of pre-drilled holes. The 3 smallest holes drilled in triangular pattern are for the closet rod supports installed later in this video. The other 2 size holes are for the dowels required to assemble your unit. Take note that the smaller of the 2 dowel holes are for the wooden dowels provided, whereas the larger holes are for the plastic dowels and mini-fix bolts included in your kit. With a hammer, tap in a wooden dowel into the smaller dowel hole. For the larger dowel hole, hammer in a plastic dowel until it is securely seated into the hole. Then, using a Phillips head screwdriver, tighten the mini-fix bolt into the plastic dowel. Alternatively, you can also use an electric drill or screwdriver. But be sure to lessen the torque power to avoid damage during assembly. On each top panel, bottom panel, and back braces, you will find the largest holes on the surface. These holes are for the mini-fix housings or cams to assemble your unit. When inserting these cams, special attention must be made to point the stamped arrow on the cam toward the direction of the corresponding hole pre-drilled into the edge of the panel. Using this instruction, complete installation of all dowels, bolts, and cams into each panel and brace. Now it is time to line up the back braces to the side panels. The mini-fix cams will face outwards towards the back or top and bottom of your unit. If your cams are aligned with the arrows facing toward the corresponding mini-fix bolt, your back brace will insert easily. If your back brace does not insert easily, the cam may be misaligned during handling. Simply take your screwdriver and realign the cam arrow again to correct the issue. Align and insert the top and bottom panels using the same method. For the last side panel, attention must be taken, as multiple dowels and bolts must be aligned prior to securing to avoid damage to the panel or holes. After everything is aligned, tap the panel in place with a rubber mallet to avoid damage to the surface of the panel. Once all panels are secured, use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten each of the minifix cams and fully assemble the closet unit. Your double hanging unit will come with closet rods and closet rod supports. After assembling the box, install the first closet rod support with the 3 provided wood screws into the remaining pre-drilled holes on the side panel. Next, insert the second support through the closet rod, with the flange facing toward the opposite side panel. Insert one end of the closet rod into the support you just installed. Pull the remaining rod support and secure into the 3 pre-drilled holes on the opposite side panel. Repeat the steps for the second closet rod under the bottom panel. Your double hanging unit is assembled and ready to install as part of your new closet.